Alright guys, this is just a quick update regarding the bulk data processor. A new version has been uploaded to NuGet which provides support for external transactions, allowing the developer more control when committing or rolling back to the database. Should you wish to follow along, I'm using the same Loki bulk data processor examples project from the previous tutorials. The link to the example project will be in the description below. In order to make use of the latest changes, make sure you upgrade to the latest version by going to the NuGet Package Manager and update to version 3.5.1. Let's now go to the bulk processor controller and add a new method and resolve the namespaces. We will also need to inject the iConfiguration interface into the constructor in order to reference the connection string from the app settings file. Coming back to the code that has just been copied in, we are still bulk saving a collection of items, the number of which is determined by the items parameter. However, rather than just calling save async on the bulk data processor, a transaction is now passed in first. This requires that the database connection is created and managed by the developer rather than the bulk data processor itself. Hence, be sure to clean up all connections and transactions, either by wrapping them in using statements or by calling the dispose method. Now let's go ahead and make sure this all works. As usual, I have included the request in the Postman import file, which you can then import yourself into Postman. I'm now going to send a post request to the new controller method to create 1000 new blocks. Now that the request has been successful, we can run a query in SQL Server to confirm that the data has been saved. As you can see, 1000 blogs have indeed been saved to the database successfully. Should the need for rolling back a transaction be required, we can simply call the rollback method on the transaction object. Let's test this out by commenting out the commit method and then calling the rollback method instead before running the application. This time, once the request has been completed, when we search for any blogs belonging to the new post, no blogs have been returned in the query, confirming that they have been successfully rolled back. Thanks for watching part 3 of this tutorial on the bulk data processor. Please like, share and subscribe if you have found this video useful.